Él es pobre. Ella es pobre. Nosotros somos pobres.
Languages with Daniel.
Hello, welcome back to Languages with Daniel. Today we are going to learn an easy topic, but it's significant when we are learning Spanish. The adjective. We use the adjective to talk about the characteristics or just to distinguish a noun. In Spanish, the adjective depend on the gender and the noun. And we use them after the noun, unlike in English. In English we say the red house. In Spanish it will be something like the house red.
Also, in Spanish, the adjective depends on
Gender and the number of the words. Unlike in English. In English we use the same adjective for the plural and singular forms. There's no gender for the words. So let's see some examples. El árbol, los árboles. El árbol es alto, los árboles son altos. A masculine word, and you can see that when it's singular, the ending it's an O, and when it's plural, the ending is an OS. Let's see what happens with a feminine word. La montaña, las montañas, la montaña es alta, las montañas son altas. Here we can see that the ending change. We use an A for the singular ending, and we use an AS with the plural form of the feminine words. Nevertheless, there are some adjectives that we use them independently of the gender, just the number. So let's see some of them. In the following table, we can see the endings and how does it work in singular and plural form. So the ending ble, such as, or the ending ble in words as increíble, incredible, and the plural increíbles. The ending ante in words as elegant, elegante, elegantes, plural form. Bre, pobre, poor, pobres, plural. And when the ending, and finally we have the ending with a consonant, for example, popular, populares. So let's see some examples. Él es increíble. Ella es increíble. Nosotros somos increíbles. El pantalón es elegante. La falda es elegante. Los zapatos son elegantes. Él es pobre. Ella es pobre. Nosotros somos pobres. Ese restaurante es popular. Esa canción es popular. Los perros son populares. However, in some situations we use the adjective before the noun, and we use it when we want to emphasize a particular characteristic of the noun. We are not trying to describe it. When we use it, we change the adjective depending on the number and gender, but there are also some exceptions. So let's see some examples. Es una gran persona. Gran comes from grande, big, but when we use it before the noun, it turns into gran for the singular nouns. Use the normal adjective when we are talking about plural forms. For example, los grandes lagos. Let's see some other examples. Los viejos amigos, la gran manzana, or the big apple, this is the nickname of the New York City, las verdes praderas. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, and we are going to see you the next time. Bye!